So here we have darts, common game played at bars, which you'll see once you turn 19 and you're able to go to those. But each person has 3 darts to throw at the board. The goal is to get to 501 points, and at the end, you need to hit your 0 because you're counting down from 501. You need to hit 0 points with either a double, a triple, or a bullseye. Now, looking at a dartboard, the standard white and black sections, those are worth the number of points outside them. So those ones I've colored in would be worth 4 and 13. If you hit inside the large green or red section, that's a double. So if you hit that section, that would be worth 8 points. Likewise, the small section inside that triangle is a triple, so that would be worth 12 points. In the bullseye, if you hit the ring on the bullseye, not the actual circle itself, but the ring, that's worth 25 points. And the actual dot, the bullseye in the middle, is worth 50 points. And as I said, the only way to win the game is to get down to 0 from 501 with either a double, a triple, or a bullseye. So what we have right now, Frank and Taylor are playing. Frank has played. It's his turn up. Frank has 36 points left to get down to 0. So Frank has a number of ways to win. Easiest way that he could win right now would to be hit a double 18, which would be this section right here. But let's say Frank misses that. Or let's say he's not aiming for a double 18. Another way he could win it is with a triple 12, because that will give him 36 points. That's using 1 dart. What if he wants to use 2? Well, Frank could hit pretty much anything so long as it leaves him with a double or a triple that he could get. So, for example, Frank could hit with a 20, which would put him at 16 points left. Then he could hit a double 8. Or if he wants to be really adventurous, he could throw a 20, then a 10, then a double 3. That would total him up to 36 points. There are endless possibilities here for how Frank could win this game. He could use 1 dart, he could use 2, he could use 3. If he hits on his last dart and gets to 0 without a double, a triple, or a bullseye, he loses. So he could not flip that last one around and go double 3, 10, 20, because he would not end his turn with a double or a triple. So there are plenty of ways to do this, but it's just figuring out what works within the rules of the game.